Okay, once again, my dear viewers, good morning, especially to our reviewee for the CLE and our learners in the 4th year criminology students. So welcome to our channel, and we are going to have our quiz today with respect to the subject criminological research and statistics. This is in relation to our topics on about citations and theoretical framework. Meron tayong 10 katanungan upang sukatin ang inyong kaalaman dito sa topic na ito, at ang mga sagutan later on makikita lamang dito sa ating description box. Alright, so let's start. Question number 1. Plagiarism is derived from what Latin word which means to kidnap? Letter A, capiarism. Letter B, plagiare. Letter C, plagiare. Or letter D, none of them. Let us proceed. Question number 2. This kind of information should be included every time you use another individual's work in your research writing. Letter A, referencing. Letter B, citation. Letter C, acknowledgement. Or letter D, dedication. Alright, so let's proceed to question number 3. What part of research project usually contains the full information about the author of your source materials and usually listed in alphabetical order? Letter A, references. Letter B, citation. Letter C, acknowledgement. Or letter D, appendages. Number 4. In writing your theoretical framework, what are you going to pick up first from your problem statement and research question? Letter A, relevant theories. Letter B, existing research. Letter C, key concepts. Or letter D, none of them. Alright, number 5. A literature review and theoretical framework are not the same thing, used interchangeably. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. Number 6. In narrative in-text citation, where to place the page number? Letter A, at the beginning of the sentence. Letter B, at the middle of the sentence. Letter C, at the end of the sentence. Or letter D, within the sentence. Question number 7. When the source of the information lacks an author's identity, what are you going to place in lieu of the author? Letter A, title of the article. Letter B, no author or NA. Letter C, anonymous. Or letter D, fictitious. Number 8, ayan. What do you call this symbol? Ayan, symbol and. Letter A, ampersand. Or letter C, and letter D, and. What do you call that symbol? Okay. Number 9. What are you going to write in your citation if there is no year of publication in your source material? Letter A, leave it lang. Letter B, DN. D dot and dot. Okay. Letter C, N dot D dot. Letter D, N dot A dot. Yan. So A, B, C, or D. Number 10. Last question na tayo. Ayan, number 10. What is meant by APA in citation format? Letter A, African Psychological Association. Letter B, American Pathological Association. Letter C, American Psychological Association. Or letter D, Association of Psychological in America. Alright, so answer these 10 questions we given to you, and expectedly you have to submit that using the link na nandito sa ating description box. Okay, so mangyari lamang na hintayin later on yung ating mga kasagutan o tamang kasagutan, at makikita nyo rin ito sa ating description box. Alright, so happy nice day. See you again in next hour vlog.